Stop by and take a look at the 2012 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes standard with a Vortex 6.2-liter and 5.3-liter V8 engine and an electronically controlled automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, traction control, anti-lock braking system, CD changer, Bose sound system, navigation system, all-wheel drive, heated seats, power passenger seat. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.